Basically, I am making an app on stock market analysis. So for that, I am using a MIT app inventor. So this helped me to like without coding, it can make my app easily. So for this, I have this is my logo for this app inventor. Here you can see the textbook. So I have just pasted it here, like here. So and I have done all the height thing and width things, and I have write the name here. And for the photo, I have taken a photo from a Google for that logo. So for that, I have click on the image part of uses interference, and I have pasted from here. Like I have pasted images like this from here, and for that I have uploaded a file from library, and this is a start button. For this I have done from here. So I bring this start button like here, and I have written the start for this. I have written a start here to maintain this thing. For in mobile, if you click on this, like if you click on this, you should be go to the screen 2 like this. When button 1 is click, it will open a screen 2. Then the screen 2 is all about the chart identification. So for that, I have taken this pic from a Google, and for that I have uploaded like the same which I have done in the screen 1. And next screen, I have for the next screen I have clicked from, I have changed it here. And for like again I have to go to a screen 3. I have to do the same thing as I've done in the screen 1. Like for see when button 1 is clicked, it will go to the screen 3. So in screen 3, I have made an annual report for the PDF thing. For how can I and like if someone will click a view PDF, so how can the PDF will open? So for that, first I have gone to the layout. See, here you can see this. And for the view PDF, I have done the button part. So I can again write like this in view PDF. I can write view PDF here. For this link, I have put a web. So I have transferred it to the Google Drive, and I have taken a link, like copy the link, and I have put into the web viewer. Like this is the home URL of the ITC annual report, a balance sheet link. And to generate this link, we have to again go to the block, and these are the things we have to do. So for you have to go to the control, and it will show the whole the process. And the last we will do the build part for like how for the Android APK. When it will generate, it will show a QR code. So the QR code is come. So we have to scan the QR code, and it will be scanned immediately. So my app is downloaded. Now it will be shown here like this one, stock chart analysis. So when you will click the thing which I've made all the things in the MIT app developer, it will be shown like this. So when I will click on the start, it will be changed into the screen 2. And this is all the thing which I've made here. And when I click in the next screen, it will come the screen 2. So like if I click on the view PDF, so the balance sheet will become like I have done the earlier thing. That's why the PDF came earlier. Thank you.